Hi guys, it's Peter, welcome to our channel. And today me and my son, we are on our VESC XRs. He's riding 75 volt XR, mine is 84 volt monster VESC XR. He's getting pretty good actually. If you saw my previous video with him, you know my son with autism, and he kinda still learning how to ride, how to proper stopping. Right now he's kind of struggle a little bit on proper stopping. Also we should work a little bit more. Actually we're going right now to park. We're gonna work on how to start it on a slope, I mean from slope, because I mean not super steep slope, but even small incline. If he stop it, then he will hesitate to start it. It's kind of feels for him a little bit. Yeah, yes, Peter. There's a hill, puddles. Yeah, for him it's kind of he will hesitate to tilt it forward and to activate board. Yeah, but otherwise, I mean, he's getting pretty good. Peter, slow down a little bit. Don't push it, Evil Knievel gear. Yeah, I have to keep eye on him because no, you're doing good, Petka. The thing is, on a one wheel, it's probably for everyone. As soon as they start riding kind of okay, they feel like they are on the top of the world. Now they can go 20 or faster, and for him, same thing. Hi guys, and I have to be kind of careful, keep an eye on him to make sure he doesn't go too fast, because his muscle, I mean, it's getting there, but it's not, I should call, fully built up. Yeah, I mean, we have to stop by. Sometimes we stop and stretch our legs, and I know, I mean, when you ride it on one wheel for a week or two, you already feel like you are pro, but your muscle is not there. Petya, slow down, Peter. You see that the sign stop? We have to slow down, and now we can take turn. Yep. Also, every time when I going with him, I mean with him on the one wheel, on our Segway, we try always obey law, stops. I mean red light. Hello. That case, when he grow up and he is gonna ride at one wheel or bicycle on a road, he know how to properly behave. Oh, right there, you see guys, that's another problem. I mean, I have to work, well, we're gonna work together. He needs help with that. That's only one particular spot where he always stop. He kind of do almost doggy style to stop at board. I mean, there's no crack, there's no like a different height on the surface. He kind of have feeling like he's gonna crash it there or so. He always stop it there. And yesterday I tried even give him my hand. I said, Peter, hold my hand, we can make it together. It didn't work, same thing. But we will keep practicing. I mean, I'm pretty sure he just have to overcome that fear, and he's gonna be all right. Okay, Peter, we're almost here. Here's our Sand Lake. I mean, I'm sorry, it's a Jubilee Lake. It's a Sand Lake. It's right next to. But to get there, we have to go another 2-3 miles. This Jubilee Lake, well, I mean, we love it. Time to time, we also come for fishing. People come here fishing as well. Okay. On your left, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, and it's pretty good lake, and you can catch trout quite easy. Okay, Peter, slow down. Let's take a break over here. Yep. Lift it. Yep. It's still a little bit wrong, but it's okay. Well, guys, pretty much that's all I got for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as video. Peter, bye. There you go. Thank you, guys.